difference between mindfulness and heartfulness, and there's a distinct difference between the two. And we will talk about more of it afterwards, but as we're going through this process, I'll be talking you through a bit of a spiritual journey. What I need you to do is just to get into a very relaxed state of being, meditative state. Just listen to the drumming. Can I get one of you guys to do just some quiet drumming? And as we're going along, just listen to the words, follow the instructions, and then we'll talk about it at the other end, okay? So we can close our eyes, start breathing just naturally, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow yourself to relax, letting go of any tension in your body. Imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding you, protecting and guiding you on this journey. See yourself standing at the edge of a lush, green forest. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of pine and earth. You hear the soft rustle of leaves and the distant songs of birds. As you step into the forest, feel the soft ground beneath your feet, grounding you to the earth. Begin to walk along a well-worn path that leads deeper into the forest. As you walk, feel your breath synchronize with your steps, creating a rhythm that calms and centers you. In the distance, you see the majestic silhouette of a mountain rising high above the treetops. As you approach the base of the mountain, feel a sense of determination and clarity. The path upwards is steep, but manageable. With each step, you become more focused and aware. Feel the texture of the rocky trail underfoot, the cool breeze on your face, and the strength in your legs as you start to ascend the mountain. Pause for a moment and take a big, deep breath. Feel the air, fill your lungs, and exhale any lingering worries or distractions. Continue your ascent, focusing on the sensations of your body and the natural world around you. Notice the ancient trees, the rugged rocks, and the vast blue sky above you. As you reach the peak, find a comfortable place to sit. From here, you can see the entire landscape spread out below you. Take a few moments now to be present. Notice the clarity of the air, the vastness of the sky, and the beauty of the world below. Allow your mind to become still, like the calm surface of a mountain lake. If thoughts arise, observe them without judgment, letting them pass like clouds drifting through the sky. Focus on your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Breathing in and out. enjoy the sense of peace and clarity that comes from being fully present in this moment. When you are ready, slowly stand and begin your descent. Feel lighter and more aware with each step. As you reach the base of the mountain, you notice a gentle path that leads to a sunlit meadow. Step into the meadow, feeling the soft grass under your feet. The air is warm and fragrant with the scent of flowers. The sun bathes the meadow in a golden light, and a gentle breeze caresses your skin. Find a spot to sit or lie down in the meadow. Feel the earth's warmth beneath you. It is grounding and nurturing. Place your hand now over your heart and feel the steady, gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. Allow yourself to connect deeply with your emotions. Feel a sense of warmth and love emanating from your heart space, spreading throughout your entire being. Reflect now on something you are grateful for, and let this gratitude fill your heart. Now think of someone you care about and send them feelings of love and compassion. Embrace the sense of connection and unity with the world around you. Feel a deep sense of peace and fulfillment emanating deep from your heart space. Take a few moments now to integrate the experiences of the mountain and the meadow. Feel the balance of mindfulness and heartfulness within you, harmonizing your mind and heart. When you are ready, slowly begin to return to the present moment. Wriggle your fingers and toes and gently stretch your body. Take a deep breath now, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Take a moment to acknowledge the wisdom and peace you have gained from your journey. Carry this balance of mindfulness and heartfulness with you as you continue your night, feeling centered, connected, and at peace. This is coherence of heart and mind.